Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, turn off and turn it on Wi-Fi again. So turn off and turn it on again. So guys, after this the next solution is forget and reconnect to the Wi-Fi network again. And then after for this, go to settings, go to Wi-Fi. So here's the Wi-Fi network. So forget this network and reconnect it again. So after this the next solution is turn on auto join. So for this, go to settings, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on this icon, scroll down, and here's the auto join option. So turn it on. So after this the next solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to power off your iPhone. So So guys, after restarting your iPhone, then after this, the next solution is restart the Wi-Fi router, and then after this, disable any VPN on your iPhone. So guys, if you're using any VPN on your iPhone, so disconnect the VPN from your iPhone. So after this, the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So wait for checking for update. So guys, I have the latest version on my iPhone. So update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So go back, and then after this the next solution is reset network setting. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings. So enter your iPhone passcode. So guys, simply tap on reset network settings. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.